Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for watching this clip of Motoc Scientific's automated tiling capabilities. My name is Vivek Ganju, and I am the sales manager for Motoc Scientific's industrial class of light microscopes. As you can see here, we have a sample being automatically tiled in bright field illumination, and we are using a 5x objective on our PA53 MET compound microscope. The motorized stage has the capability to stitch a sample that has a maximum size of 4 inches by 4 inches. You can also recall your starting point on every sample every time you turn on the microscope and load the software. This saves a lot of manual setup at the beginning. As the tile is being built, I will let you guess exactly what the sample is and then tell you at the very end of this video. Not only is the PA53 MET capable of tiling, but it can also render 3D images and perform Z-height measurements. One of the good things about the PA53 MET is that it's very modular. You can select your camera based on speed or resolution. You can also select how motorized or manual you want the system to be, and then upgrade certain features at a later date. The following is a 9x9 tile, and you can see here at the very end, it post-processes the tiles to make the shading and the borders match up. This is where the actual stitching is taking place on the tiles. And as you will soon see the final stitched image, you'll be able to make out that this is a credit card chip. Thank you for watching.